Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to update the WordPress user password. If you forget it and you're not able to reset it using lost your password functionality of WordPress. So let us start. First we will have to locate the WordPress database. So in order to locate the WordPress database, you will have to go into the WordPress installation folder. Here you will have to find the WordPress config file where the database information is stored and open this file in any editor. Here you will find the database name and open the database in phpMyAdmin. So this is my database. Now into the database you will have to locate the table wp_users. Here in this installation and WordPress users table, I have only one user record and I wanted to edit the password for this user, as I am not able to reset it because the dummy email address is there in user_email column. So let us first update the password. Let me choose any password, as the password is in the encrypted form and the encryption technique is MD5. So we'll have to choose MD5 here in the functions drop down and update it. It's updated. If you want, you can also change the user's email address so that you can directly reset your password from WordPress functionality. But in case if you're not able to reset it through your lost your password functionality of WordPress, you can directly update the password. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe this video to motivate us to create more videos on WordPress tips and tricks.